Hi, my name is Mason from Rolling to 30s. Today I'm going to teach you how to acid drop off a ledge. So for starters, you need to find a ledge that is small enough to begin on. I'm using this one right now, and if this is too big for you, then you can go to your local skate park and find something smaller, or even go on the street, like a footpath, and find a crack, even just to roll off. So this is the foot stance that you need to be on. So your back foot needs to be on the tail and your front foot needs to be just below the last bolt. To acid drop, you need to lean back on your back foot, push down on your back foot and lift up to do a little manual off. Just like that. So if you're not comfortable of finding a ledge like that, find a small crack like this, roll up to it, do a little manual off, and keep doing that motion until you're comfortable of doing a ledge. So the speed of an acid drop is going fast enough to do a small manual off the ledge. So when you attempt the acid drop, you need to stay bent, and when you land, you need to stay bent too. Make sure you keep practicing this trick because when you do it, it's fun and you can do it on bigger ledges. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, and comment if you've already done this trick. Catch you in the next video, guys. See ya. Leave a comment down below if you think I'm better than my dad.